Next, another things are very, very important. Most of the people, what they are going to do, yes, boss, this thing is a bit, you require to think in this area. Can you please plan your tomorrow? Can you please plan your schedule? Then automatically, hey, tomorrow these 5 activities are there. First, I require to concentrate this activity, this activity, this activity, and so on. Like, we are always going to plan based on our schedule, based on our time. Correct, right? The planning is always based on the time. Yes, friends. You respond, man. Okay, tomorrow is the
Yes,
full
sir. Yes,
busy.
sir.
Day after tomorrow we
Yes,
will do
sir.
that. Day after tomorrow we will do. I will plan. Like, you are always going to schedule your activities based on the time. Based on the time. Don't plan your activities based on the time. Plan your activities based on your energy levels. Very, very important. So while planning, you require to consider your energy levels. That thing is also very important. High priority activities. High priority activities. Okay. You have to keep at where your energy at a very peak. Do you know? Morning, we are always with pleasant mind. Morning, we are always with the full energy. Something like a 100% full mobile charge. Mobile 100% full is there. How it is? Okay. Morning, your day is going to start with such type of energy. That's why most important, highest priority things, better to plan in that time. And then, okay, slowly the day is going on in the mobile, charging how is going to be down, slowly your energy levels are going to be down. Next up, by evening, almost around 7 or 8 or otherwise 6, 7. So automatically red signal will come. Last 15 percentage only, last 5 percentage only energy levels. Then automatically in the mobile, do you know something like a red mark is going to come? Do you have experience all this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. Do you have experience all these at least in the mobile? Forget about your personal life. Mobile case. Have you ever saw 100 percentage charging, 90 percentage charging, 20 percentage only charge? Hurry, my charging is down. Okay, battery charging is not there. Okay, I can't talk much. So later I will make a phone call. Later, I will make a phone call. Something like we are going to do right. And then just only 3%, 4% only there. We will switch off the phone. And then that emergency situations only we can on and we can talk. Emergency situations to handle, we can switch on and then we can talk. We can talk like so the same style, how the mobile battery recharge is going to be down in the same way, in the same way, okay, in the same way, your energy levels are also going to be down from morning to evening. That's why high result activities, highest priority activities, better to plan at the morning time or where your energy levels are very peak. Low level activities, okay, more energy is not required. Such type of things, better to plan in the, so what we can use the word where your energy is low. Remember, you are always going to plan based on your time. But while planning, consider the column energy also. Based on your energy levels also, based on your energy levels also, you require to plan. That thing must be required. Getting right?